Good morning, Ian Crouch with your 8:30 Hunter News update. The decision by Origin Energy to pull out of the much-anticipated hydrogen hub project at Kooragang has put a major dent in the federal government's renewable energy plans. The company cited the slow development of the commercial hydrogen market as the reason to withdraw from its $207 million partnership with Orica. A spokesman for Energy Minister Chris Bowen says the decision is disappointing for workers and businesses developing the hydrogen project, but says green hydrogen remains important for the future of manufacturing and industry here in the Hunter and across the globe. Shadow Minister Ted O'Brien says the news is a major blow to the government's renewable energy goals and puts Australia's energy security at risk. Traffic is expected to start building at choke points across the Hunter as people take off for the long weekend. The Transport Management Centre has issued a warning for motorists, saying large volumes of traffic will build up this afternoon between Hexham, Beresfield and Heatherbrae. The delays will be further exacerbated by a number of construction projects underway. Motorists are being urged to allow extra travel time. Double demerits are also in force for the long weekend. A new survey has pointed to the role superannuation plays in safeguarding the financial future of the Hunter's workers. It found just 32% of Aussies believe they'd be able to save for their retirement without compulsory superannuation. Rose Curlin from Australian Super says Australians are becoming more engaged with their super,
with around one-third checking their super at least monthly. We discovered Australians are more likely to monitor their super balance than their utility bills, insurance premiums, or even entertainment subscriptions.
Maitland Hospital has made inroads into addressing staff shortages over the past 14 months with a significant boost in staff numbers. Since July last year, there's been a 10% increase in full-time equivalent workers, bringing the total number to just under 1,100. Regional Health Minister Ryan Park says measures such as introducing safe staffing levels, doubling the Rural Health Workforce Incentive Scheme and abolishing the wages cap have played a part in attracting staff to the hospital. Meanwhile, it's hoped 2 new internal roads opening next Thursday will help ease traffic congestion at the John Hunter Hospital. Cockatoo Crescent and Banksia Drive have been built in preparation to connect the 900-space car park underneath the new acute services building currently under construction. Linda Mobbs from the Nurses and Midwives Association says while the roads are welcome, more parking is needed for staff who are forced to use paid public parking in peak periods. Maitland Basketball Association and Kurri Kurri Speedway Club have been allocated thousands of dollars in federal funding to support girls in local sport. The funding program seeks to remove barriers preventing access to sporting participation for young girls and women in the Hunter. Paterson MP Meryl Swanson says the funding includes more than $65,000 for Maitland Basketball Association.
Basketball is one of the highest participation sports in New South Wales, but alarmingly, girls from around the age of 15 haven't been playing. The rates have been declining and we need to change that.
2NURFM Sport.
Jets rookie Claire Adams is getting ready for her debut season with the A-League women's first team as they travel to Sydney to take on the Wanderers in a trial this weekend. The former Lochinvar Rovers junior spent 9 years in the Jets academy before inking a scholarship deal in the off-season. The young midfielder says a goal for the season is to gain experience at the elite level.
Just trying to get minutes under my belt as much as I can this season. I'll take any minutes really.
Knights skipper Kalen Ponga says he got it wrong amid the controversy surrounding his withdrawal from Australian selection. Ponga initially pulled out of the squad, saying he would prefer to be ready for the Knights pre-season, but has now made himself available again after uproar from the Kangaroos supporters. The star fullback says he didn't mean any disrespect by pulling out. And the Newcastle Kart Racing Club has been announced as the host of Round 3 of the 2025 Australian Kart Championship to take place next June. That's Sport, I'm Will McGrath.
And the winning numbers in Powerball are 10, 11, 13, 15, 16, 18 and 34, and the Powerball is 2. And now you're up to date with the latest 2NURFM Hunter News.